Hello creators. In this video we will talk about the law of attraction and if you deserve success. As we have discussed, your thoughts, feelings, and emotions dictate what you attract into your life, as what you put out into the universe dictates what is returned to you. When you desire something such as money, relationships, or success, you are putting out a request to the universe to send you situations, circumstances, and people to match that desire. However, there are things that you can do to prevent that desire from being satisfied, as you could be blocking it from actually manifesting. One of those things is if you feel that you deserve what you are asking for. A common example would be that you want money. In order to manifest an amount of money into your life, you will have to feel that you deserve that amount of money before you will see any of it. Why? Because when you feel that you deserve something, you now believe in it. And as we have discussed, any desire that you wish to see come to fruition must be backed by belief. Many of you, upon hearing this notion, may then shout to the heavens that I deserve $1 million and expect it to manifest immediately. Well, if it were that easy, we'd all be millionaires. However, this is not the case, as you cannot get something for nothing. Just as the law of attraction dictates that what you put out comes back to you, you cannot expect a simple, half-hearted desire to deliver to you exactly what you want. So, how do we reconcile this situation? Well, the key here is taking action and creating something. Still remaining with our example of money, if you want money and simply throw out the desire for money, but do nothing and take no actions, you will get nothing. On the other hand, if you put out a desire for money and then take action such as building a business or an entrepreneurial venture, you have now put something out into the universe for which you will be rewarded, because you took action and did something, and also especially if you provided value to other people, you can now place yourself in a state of deserving. You now deserve that money you wanted because you did something for it. And when you truly feel that you deserve something and your desire is backed by this belief, what you want will now manifest itself into existence at the best time for you. There is also a caveat to the notion of deserving, as you must provide value or service to others in this universe. But at the same time, you should never feel guilty for asking for what you want. You may feel you deserve something, but feeling guilty about it can counteract your desire and block it from coming into your life. So, how do you reconcile any feelings of guilt for asking for what you want? You can do this by ensuring that whatever service or value that you are providing is the best you can provide, so that it benefits whomever you are helping. By doing so, you can now say that the exchange is mutually beneficial, as you are getting what you deserve, while the other person is getting something that is good for them. With all of that said, we can say that the main concept here is that you must place yourself in a state of deserving in order to receive the desire that you put out, and you do this by taking action and putting out into the universe before you receive from the universe. So there you have it. With this information in mind, you can now answer the question if you truly deserve success and what you want in life. I hope you learned something new and valuable from this video, or that it reinforced something you already heard. If you'd like to learn more about the Law of Attraction, go to www.lawofattractioncreator.com. Also, you can get our free ebook, The Law of Attraction in 3 Simple Steps. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more Law of Attraction content.